Hello, this is Madeline McMillan. I'm doing the Chapter 1 and 2 applications quiz, and I'm choosing for my occupation is preschool. I'm studying early childhood education. So for my small company, it will be a preschool / daycare. Number 1, based on your field, state a realistic hourly wage for A and B. Complete a total pay for the 2 employees. A realistic hourly wage for a fully capable employee would be $20. So, let's say a realistic $20. B, realistic hourly wage for one trainee would be minimum wage, which is $16.66. The total pay for fully capable employee would be for 25 hours a week is $20 times 25 hours equals $500, which is a weekly or daily wage? Weekly wage. And then D, total pay for one trainee is $16.66 times 10 hours equals $166.66. And then adding them both together for total pay for both. So total pay for both, which would be $500 plus $166.66 equals $666.66. That is our first question. Second question, choose a supply cost that is realistic to your field. I will be choosing $1,000 because I am running a preschool and I have chose $1,000 because I need a lot of materials. Materials needed: crayons, pencils, markers, toys, scissors, food, glue, puzzles, etc. Preschools have so much more things, so I need a lot more. But I would also be paying for rent because I need a building, lights, and internet because I need some type of like screen for like videos or something, which are pretty good. So $1,000 would most likely cover would cover all of this stuff and a lot of extras. Okay. Using 1 and 2, what are the total expenses for this job? So my supply cost equal $1,000.00, exactly $1,000. Employee 1 equals $20 an hour, which then equals 25 hours, which equals $500. Employee 2 equals $16.66 per hour. 10 hours equals 166.66. $1,000 plus $500 plus 166.66 equals 1,666.60. This is my total. I'm gonna put an arrow saying total. As you can see, there's my total. Fourth question. On this job, you'd like your job to turn a profit of $900. What revenue would you make this profit? So we are going to do the formula profit equals revenue minus cost. So $900 equals X minus 1666.60. And then we are going to add 1666.60 and cross that out, and then add 1666.60, which this will then we'll move that over here to have more room, and that is 2,566.50, which equals X. That is the revenue that we would need to make for a profit. And then, sorry, I'm gonna set up. Okay, now we've got the fifth question. This revenue is a quote for your customers. What is the estimated quote for your customers? And this we need to round up 2566.60, and rounding this up would end up being $2,600 exactly, because this is above 50 and this is above 50. We're just gonna round it up to 2,600. And this is a per week example. There would most likely be 6 to 8 kids, so I would probably divide this number by 6 to give it a more accurately weekly estimate to my customer. But since this is just for this quiz, this is my answer of the quote for my customers would be $2,600 per week. Okay, thank you.